McKenzie here. I want to talk to you about thread today. These are the 4 different colors of thread that are found in the IBE store. Now let me talk to you about why we have the specific type of thread. This is a cotton nylon blend. There's a lot of different threads that you can use when sewing extensions. There's nylon, there's polyester. Some people go rogue and do some kind of a fishing line. I don't know, but for us at IBE, we use a cotton nylon thread. We have 4 colors in the store: black, light brown, dark brown, and blonde. Please only use this if you have a global bleach out, and even then, make sure you're making the right choice. This can stick out. Now I wanna give you a few tips and tricks when selecting thread for installing extensions. You always want to go with the darker option. If you're considering maybe which color of brown is going to match, you're always gonna wanna choose darker because darkness lives in the interior of the hair. The shadows are always on the inside. So if you ever choose a lighter color, boom, there's your extensions, you're gonna see them. So always go darker. Second tip I wanna give you, if you feel like your thread is always getting tangled or knotted up, there's 2 things you can do before installing to prep your string. Number 1, oil it. Grab some oil, put it on your fingers, and run that thread through. Second thing, you're gonna take a flat iron and you're gonna run that through as well. It seals that oil in. It kind of seals down the fibers of a cotton string and really helps it to glide through the hair. Hope that helps.